Pincetich with the Sea Turtle Restoration Project. We're at the Cal Academy of Sciences Nightlife looking at the Longline exhibit. This is it. The truth about Longline. Sea turtles, a few tuna, seabirds, more turtles, dolphins, sharks, all strung up, all dying every day when we choose to eat tuna and swordfish and other species caught using these pelagic longlines. Thousands and thousands of sea turtles die each year. Sea turtles are dying for your swordfish steak. Visit us at seaturtles.org.